that and then start the camera.
Oh.
Hi friends. Hi friends. Hi friends. Friends. Please be my friend. Using your straightener curl. I feel like my mouth is like paralyzed. That got really intense. The next thing I want you to use, oh, my belly's in the way. Do you remember the time I'm 8 months pregnant and my stomach is really in the way? Can you help me?
Yeah.
Okay. I need to move the table.
So.
Because I'm a big fat cow. Can I have a Kleenex for my upper lip sweat? Because I feel like that's gonna happen. I need my Beyonce fan.
Okay.
With my Beyonce face. That'll be good for the blooper reel. I thought this would be the perfect opportunity. Okay. No, that's stupid. Bobby pins, just grab a handful. It'll do you some good. Do you some good. Okay. Pew, pew, pew. Maybe it's you looking at me that's bothering me.
I'll look away.
I don't know. Let's try it for a minute. Thank you. Next. Thank you. Next. Oh wait, I don't want to say We can get started. My eyes were way too intense. Product. Side shots. Okay, so we can look at it then.
It's not gonna be perfect.
Okay, I know, but like, ugh. I have. Okay, I'll just whatever. I already forgot what I'm saying. Don't mind us. I just ran up the stairs, so
Oh, that's fine.
I'm a little like extra out of breath. Do I look like Farrah Fawcett? Any of it. Just let me riff a little bit. One thing I didn't. Oh, I burped. We can get started. I made the dumbest faces just then. It was a lot of this. Okay, open mouth trout. Can't have just a gaping open mouth like a trout. That to my egg-shaped head. Lame.
Your edits.
Do you feel like that went well? I feel like that
was really good.
Thanks. Cool. Can you put your makeup on? Good job.